Hello everyone, today we will see how to change displacement time graph to distance time graph. Okay, so let's start our topic. Let us consider this graph where y-axis denotes to displacement and our x-axis denotes to time interval. Okay, so let us consider a graph kind of this. Okay, we can consider, I think. Okay, so if we see this graph, okay, let us plot some points. So let us this point be a, and this point be b, this point be c, and this point be d. Okay, this point be d. Okay, so at point a, the position of the object is x1. At point b, the position of object is x2. At point c, position of object is x1 only. Okay, and at last at position d, the point of the position of object is x is equal to x4. Okay, x4. So firstly we have to do motion interpretation if we have to convert the graph into distance time graph, because it's displacement time graph. Okay, so here the motion interpretation. Okay, we will do motion interpretation. Okay, so if we see, the object starts from x1 and goes to x2. Okay, then it comes back to x1. As we can see, if we see, the object starts from x1, goes to x2, and then came back to x1. Okay, that simply means the object has taken u-turn. Okay, object has taken u-turn to x1. Okay, so this is x1 at t is equals to 1. This is x2 at x2 at t is equals to 2 is to 2. Then object came back and x1 at t is equals to 3, and then we can say object has taken a more u-turn. Okay, object has taken once more a u-turn and got to the x4 at t is equals to 4. So the motion interpretation says that the object goes x1 from x2, then came back at x1, and then goes to x4. Okay, we can see that we can see clearly. Okay, so if we have to convert the graph into distance graph, this is currently a displacement time graph. We have to cover it into a distance time graph. Okay, so let us draw a new graph here. Okay, so you all know that distance cannot be negative. Displacement can be negative, distance cannot be negative. Okay, you all know distance can never be negative. So if we see that this point shows negative or depressing curve. Okay, so we have to take the mirror image of this. Mirror image of this will look like this, I think. Okay, will look like this, and this will be our final distance graph. Because yeah, now we will see, so we will not find any point where object is taking u-turn or the distance is negative. So we have to just make sure that the distance shouldn't be negative, and wherever you see the depressing curve, you have to take its mirror image. Okay, there are only two major rules. I have taken the bestest example anyone can take of this topic. First is take mirror mirror image of decreasing portion. Okay, decreasing portion. draw it as increasing. Okay. Yes, you can say this also, like take wherever you see the decreasing function, convert it into a increasing function, and you will be ready with your distance time graph. And this is a very crucial topic for JMAs. Thank you everyone.